Hello crafters, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an unboxing video of the new Spellbinders Limited Edition Platinum 6 Aqua die cutting and embossing machine. I'm super excited. If you follow Spellbinders on social media, you might remember a poll they did on Instagram stories in spring 2021. They asked which color platinum machine you prefer, and they had three color options: a pink machine, a teal machine, and a black machine. The teal one was the most popular choice. It was my choice as well, followed by black. And now, several months later, Spellbinders has unveiled their limited edition Aqua die cutting machine. The machine is embellished with gorgeous flowers and dark teal accents, and it has some silver foiling as well. This is the look of the box the machine comes in. The box is very pretty, and it includes all the florals and the foiling that you can find on the machine itself. Let's take a look inside. This is my first time opening the box. I did receive this machine several weeks ago, but I was patiently saving it for this video because, well, I wanted to be surprised. This machine comes with a set of beautiful floral dies and the sentiment die, so you can get started die cutting and creating right away. Even if you're new to die cutting and card making, when you get this machine, you have everything you need to get crafting right there. You'll just need to have some paper. So there's a happy birthday die and several flowers in different sizes and several leaves. I do have a card project for you at the end of this video using just these dies, and I'll share that, like I said, at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's open the bag and see what else is included. You have a little flyer letting you know that you can register your machine to receive $5 off your next purchase. And you can do that on the Spellbinders website. It's super easy, and once finished, you'll receive a $5 off coupon code via email. The registration process is very quick and simple. I think it took me less than a minute. Next, we have the instructions manual. This is very helpful if you are new to Spellbinders die cutting machines. If you already own a Platinum or a Platinum 6 die cutting machine, these instructions are the same, as essentially the limited edition Aqua machine is the same as Platinum 6. The plates for the machine come in a pretty new color. The embossing plate is beautiful dark teal. By the way, just to show you a comparison, here I have a purple embossing plate from my previous limited edition machine. This one is from Jane Davenport machine, and it was available several years ago. It was the Deep Sea die cutting machine. Now, these plates are the same, but the color is different. Next is the tan embossing mat. You can use that to dry emboss with your dies or with your stencils. The cutting plates have beautiful silver glitter embedded in them. And to compare, here's a pack of regular glitter cutting plates that you can pick up on the Spellbinders website. These are 6x6, but they also have the regular rectangular size. The new plates have cool glitter, while the plates you can order on the website have warm glitter specks embedded in them. And of course, you have the platform with the updated logo and instructions. Again, I'm showing you the old Jane Davenport platform just to compare the two. You do have the main instructions printed on the platform, so that is super helpful if you're new to this die cutting machine or to the Spellbinders brand. Okay, let's move on. Next, we have a baggie with a handle and the screw to attach the handle to the machine. You have instructions in your instructions booklet explaining how to do that. I'm going to remove the egg carton, and ta-da! Here's my little beauty, all wrapped in plastic. I can finally get rid of the box and take the machine out of the plastic packaging. The machine is kind of heavy, but that's because the inside of the machine is made out of metal, and it is highly durable and super powerful, giving you the perfect cut every single time. You can see the beautiful printing on each side of the machine. I just love the little flowers here. Now, I already have a die cutting machine in my craft room. I have a regular Platinum on my desk, and I use it for die cutting and for hot foiling, for running the glimmer platform through the machine. But that is a little inconvenient as I have to remove the platform and cutting plates from the Platinum to do the foiling. I've been thinking I could have 2 die cutting machines on my desk. My desk is pretty large, so it can accommodate 2 die cutting machines. One would be dedicated just to die cutting. That would be my big Platinum. And this new limited edition machine would be used just for the hot foil stamping. This would streamline my work and help me be more efficient when I craft. So that's my justification for having this machine. Okay, let's go ahead and attach the handle. Like I said, that's very easy to do. You take everything out of the plastic bags. Then you insert the washer into the screw and place that inside the opening in the handle. Next, notice how the handle opening isn't round on one side. There's a flat side. So locate the flat side on the handle and locate the same flat side on the metal post sticking out of the machine. And then match the two to insert the handle. Then use your little wrench and twist the screw in place. And that shouldn't be too hard. Just turn it a few times to tighten it. And we're done. The handle is attached. You also have a little teal plug, which is made from rubber. And you just need to pop that into the handle to cover up the screw, just like so. Now, do save the little wrench, as you might need it in the future to tighten the handle or to remove the handle if you wish to travel with your machine. I have a little drawer with tools like this, and I just pop that little wrench into that drawer. I am dying to try this machine, so I'm going to dry emboss a background for a card I'm working on. I'm also making a video for that card, so you'll see it on my YouTube channel a little later this month. Here I have one of the new Spellbinders embossing folders. This is their new size. It's huge. It is 8.5 by 5.5 inches. And this one is called Optical Arches. This embossing folder is launching on January 14th. Right now, you can see it in their coming soon section. To emboss with this embossing folder, you just need a platform, folder with a paper inside, and 1 cutting plate. Super easy, and that gives you perfect results. The plates from this machine are just long enough to accommodate the size of this embossing folder, so you don't need to get extended plates to be able to use it. And just in case you're wondering what cardstock I am embossing on, this is a soft navy cardstock from Simon Says Stamp. And the size of the cutting plates, by the way, if you're wondering, is just a little over 6 inches wide by 8 3/4 inches long. Now let's go back to the die set included with this machine. I love the font used for the happy birthday sentiment. I think it is very beautiful, and I love the size of that font as well. It works well for A2 and slimline cards. This particular card is mini slimline. The flower dies give you various flower options. You have several layers to mix and match different flowers. And of course, you have 2 size leaves to use for larger flowers and then for smaller flowers. And finally, there's a little leafy branch. And I cut mine from vellum for this card just to try something different. The background for this card was dry embossed with yet another embossing folder launching on January 14th. And this one is the Loops embossing folder. So that's a look at the new Platinum 6 limited edition Aqua die cutting and embossing machine. I love mine, and I cannot wait to begin using it in my craft room. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe you have a particular question about the machine that I didn't answer in my video. Drop me a comment below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.